Are you a first-time home buyer or an investor or just looking to build your real estate portfolio for $280,000? Well, then I've got the home for you in Johnson County right here. Come on in.